Welcome to MKG Online Study e-learning platform. In this video, we will learn what are signed numbers and what are unsigned numbers. Variables such as integers can be represented in two ways, that is signed and unsigned. Signed numbers use sign flag and can be distinguished between positive values and negative values, whereas unsigned numbers store only positive number but not negative numbers. Number representation techniques in our digital system are binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. So, numbers in these number system can be represented in both signed ways and unsigned ways. Binary number system is more popular as binary number system represent binary quantities which can be represented by any device that has only two operating states or possible conditions. And the possible values are 0 and 1. So representation of binary number can be unsigned representation or it can be a signed representation. Unsigned representation, that will be only for positive numbers. Signed representation, it can be for both positive and negative numbers. Signed representation is further divided into sign magnitude form, 1's complement form, 2's complement form. So let us discuss these signed and unsigned representation of binary number. Unsigned numbers do not have any sign. These can contain only magnitude of the number. So the unsigned binary number will be a positive number. For example, let us say 101. 101 in binary and in decimal it is represented by 5. So this is a binary representation and this is a decimal representation. So this is a positive sign symbol, or you can say an unsigned number. So a representation of unsigned binary number is always be a positive number. Signed representation. Signed numbers contain sign flag and this representation distinguish between positive number and negative numbers. This representation will consist of sign flag and magnitude of a number. So the sign representation is further divided into sign magnitude form. So this is a sign number. For example, if we are writing +3, so when we are talking about positive number, then the magnitude will be 0, or we can say sign bit will be 0. And if we are talking about negative number, then the sign bit will be 1. When we are representing a sign number, first bit is the representation of sign bit. For example, So this will be the number and this will be the sign, or we can say this will be the sign bit. First MSB bit is the sign bit and rest bit are magnitude bit. So the number will be minus 2 if I am representing. Then this will be the sign bit and this will be the magnitude bit. So number will be minus 7. So if we are having 1 in the MSB, that will be a negative number. If we are having 0 in the MSB, then it will be a positive number. So as you can see in this table, we are having unsigned numbers and signed positive number and signed negative number. So 0 is represented by 0, 0, 0, 0 in unsigned. In signed, 0, 0, 0, 0. And in negative sign, 1, 0, 0, 0. Because negative number sign bit will be 1. And in positive sign bit will be 0. And unsigned numbers are always a positive number. Okay. So 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. Positive sign 0, 0, 0, 1. Negative sign 1, 0, 0, 1. This is how you can convert all these decimal number into unsigned number, positive sign and negative sign. So this is a question. Sign magnitude of this is, options are 15, 0, plus 7, minus 7. If we are talking about sign magnitude, means first bit will be your sign bit and rest 3 bits will be the number. So 1 is represented by negative. So in all the 4 options, this option consists of a negative number and triple 1 is 7. So as you can see, 1, 1, 1, 1 is 7 and that too negative sign. So minus 7. So this is how we can differentiate between a sign number and positive sign and negative sign number. Next is 1's complement form, ambiguous 2 zeros and 2's complement form. So mostly these complements numbers are used for the representation of sign number, normally negative sign number. Since 1's complement of the number is obtained by inverting each bit of given number, so we represent positive numbers in binary form and negative numbers in 1's complement form. There is extra bit for sign representation. If the value of sign bit is 0, the number is positive and we can directly represent it in simple binary form. But if the value of sign bit is 1, then number is negative and you have to take 1's complement of given binary number. So always remember that complements form are basically used for negative numbers. And 2's complement form. 2's complement form is obtained by 1's complement of number plus 1 to least significant digit. So for positive number, it will be in binary form, and for negative number, it will be in 2's complement form. So if we have sign bit value is 0, then the number is positive, and we can directly represent that number in binary form. But if the sign bit value is 1, then the number is negative, and we have to take 2's complement of that given binary number. So we can get negative number by 2's complement of positive number, and positive number by directly using simple binary representation. Thanks for watching this video.